Welcome back. Here's what's making headlines today. Pakistan introduces the JPF-FT aerial firefighter truck, a dual-use system designed for military and civilian emergency response. Equipped with high-pressure water cannons, thermal imaging sensors, and an extendable aerial ladder, it ensures rapid fire suppression in urban and battlefield environments. Adventure 5323 Tactical Footwear is engineered for maximum mobility and durability in combat environments. Featuring reinforced ankle support, shock-absorbing soles, and weather-resistant materials, it ensures stability on rugged terrain. Pakistan elite forces now have cutting-edge aerial ladders, enhancing rapid deployment and high-altitude operations. Built with lightweight alloy structures, hydraulic extension systems, and anti-slip platforms, these ladders ensure stability in extreme conditions. Military communications just got more secure with AES 256-bit encryption on FPGA. This hardware-based encryption ensures real-time data protection, resistance to cyber threats, and ultra-fast processing speeds. Designed for secure battlefield transmissions and classified networks. The upgraded Agosta 90B submarine enhances Pakistan's maritime defense with next-gen technology. Equipped with air-independent propulsion, AIP, for extended underwater endurance, advanced sonar systems for superior threat detection, and upgraded combat management software. Hey everyone, welcome to Pakistangeo Defence Updates. Let's get straight into the big stories. Here are today's detailed headlines. Hit that subscribe button for more updates. Pakistan's latest aerial platforms are changing the way logistics and military operations work. Built with strong materials, advanced hydraulics, and AI-assisted navigation, these platforms allow faster troop movement, better equipment transport, and quicker emergency response. They can operate in rough terrains and urban settings, ensuring stability and efficiency. With secure communication systems and real-time coordination, these aerial platforms help both military and rescue teams complete missions with precision. Pakistan has converted its C-130 aircraft into a fully equipped air ambulance, improving military medical response. This modified aircraft features advanced life support systems, ventilators, and trauma care stations, allowing for critical patient transport during emergencies. With in-flight medical monitoring, rapid deployment capabilities, and long-range endurance, it ensures timely evacuation from conflict zones or disaster areas. The spacious interior is designed for efficient patient care, while its rugged design allows landings on remote airstrips. This upgrade strengthens Pakistan's ability to provide fast and effective medical assistance in both military and humanitarian missions. Pakistan's second strike capability is critical for maintaining strategic stability in the region. This means that even if an enemy launches a first attack, Pakistan can still respond with powerful nuclear retaliation. To achieve this, Pakistan is developing submarine-launched ballistic missiles, SLBMs, and nuclear-capable cruise missiles, ensuring that its deterrence remains intact. With a strong second strike capability, Pakistan prevents any country from thinking it can win a nuclear war by striking first. This strategy helps maintain peace by ensuring that any attack would have serious consequences, making conflict less likely. The Afridi and Afridi Firearm series is built for next-generation precision combat. Designed with lightweight materials, advanced recoil control, and high-accuracy barrel systems, these weapons ensure superior performance in tactical operations. Featuring modular customization, rapid-fire capabilities, and enhanced ergonomics, the Afridi and Afridi series is perfect for both close quarters and long-range engagements. With its high durability components and cutting-edge optics compatibility, this firearm lineup is set to redefine Pakistan's infantry firepower. Pakistan Navy has upgraded its Zulfiquar class frigates with a new electronic warfare suite, improving defense against modern threats. This advanced system can detect, jam, and counter enemy radar and missile guidance systems, making the ships harder to target. With enhanced signal interception, real-time threat analysis, and automatic countermeasures, These frigates now have stronger protection in high-risk areas. The upgrade ensures Pakistan Navy remains ready for electronic warfare, improving survivability and combat effectiveness in naval operations. Thanks for watching. If you found this video informative, please subscribe to our channel for more updates and insights. Like this video to show your support. And don't forget to answer today's question.